What happened in crypto this week?
Mhm.
Just this week on Monday, I think Bitcoin went as low as 91. It dropped a little bit under $90,000 this week.
Mhm.
And today, Friday, it's already $105,000.
Yeah.
Maybe this is because of the incoming administration. And based on what we're hearing, there's going to be a lot of executive orders on crypto when Trump gets into the office. The adoption in terms of things that are friendly to the crypto sector. Again, these are just signs that the era that we're going into, for those that can position themselves strategically into this, we're going to be rewarded handsomely. The other thing is we're getting a new SEC chair. Gary Gensler is going to be resigning on the same day that we're going to be having Trump inaugurated. And this is very, very exciting because the previous administration has been so anti-crypto. A lot. I mean, I was listening on CNBC just this week, and all the things that Gensler was just saying that he doesn't own any crypto. And I'm like, oh, dude, you taught at MIT. How come you're teaching something you don't? You're not a practitioner of, like, But I'm just excited that we're going to be getting the new SEC chair, Port Atkins. Just this week, we saw a lot of inflows, 307 million net inflows into Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. ETF is just a way that you can still participate in crypto without necessarily owning the underlying asset, meaning that you don't own Bitcoin, you don't own the Ethereum, but you get some exposure to it, meaning that if Bitcoin is doing well, we expect that the ETF too is going to do well. A lot of people here believe that crypto is very complicated, which is understandable, but a simple way to get exposure to Bitcoin or Ethereum or to the crypto market will be to just go into the Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF. Again, this is not investment or financial advice. I'm just sharing that, hey, this is what I
Yeah.
would do if I don't have any exposure to Bitcoin. I said before that we saw Bitcoin went as low as 80 something, I think $89,000 plus. It dropped that low. And that's also because the DOJ approved the sale of 6.5 billion Bitcoin, which was seized from Silk Road. Again, Silk Road dates back to the beginning of crypto exchanges. A lot of people were still trading on this crypto exchange, but a lot of Bitcoin was seized. And those Bitcoin are still being with the US. But now the DOJ has already given the approval that, hey, you can sell this. And what does this mean? If you're selling all of this, it just means that you're going to tank the price of Bitcoin. It's going to make the price of Bitcoin to drop. And that was what we saw on Monday. But we don't know if they're eventually going to do this given the new administration that is coming in. But as we wrap up this, price target for Bitcoin by the end of this year, which I could be totally wrong. That is not me saying this. This is just some analyst saying this, that, hey, we might go north of 200,000 American dollars.
Mhm.
But even if we don't get to this, maybe we get to 150, 180, it's still better than where we are today. And that's
Mhm.
just some of the exciting things that is just going on in crypto and also in Bitcoin. I truly believe that as a smart investor, it's good to have some exposure into the space. The reason being that the new administration is pro Bitcoin, is pro crypto. I was reading some news that a lot of states in the US, they are having their own strategic Bitcoin reserve. Also, we're going to be getting a lot of executive orders 100 days into the new administration. But these are just exciting news that are going to be coming up. And I just feel like, yes, crypto can be very exciting, but I also want to say that it can be very risky. It can be very volatile, and never invest what you cannot afford to lose, because crypto is exciting. Your money can go to the moon, but it can also go down to the toilet.
Yeah.
Don't fall into the category and say, oh, Blooming said I should put my life savings. No, I didn't say that. It's important to have some exposure into crypto, into Bitcoin as a long-term investor. So that's my take on crypto this week. If you
Yeah.
have any question, comment, leave them in the comment area
Yeah.
below. We want to read from you.
Thank you.